In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish Unbounce landing page. If you've got a page that's no longer needed, under review, or you just want to take it offline without deleting anything, unpublishing is the safest way to pause it. This won't erase your content or your stats, it simply removes the page from being publicly accessible so no new visitors can land on it. Start by logging into your Unbounce account and heading to your dashboard. From there, navigate to the All Pages screen. This is your main hub, where every landing page in your account is listed. If you manage a lot of pages, it helps to use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow things down. Make sure you're looking at the correct client or domain so you don't unpublish the wrong asset, especially if you keep similar versions or have multiple variants. Once you see the page you want to unpublish, look to the left of its name. You'll find a small checkbox next to each page in the list. Click that checkbox to select the page. This tells Unbounce which item you want to take action on. If you're unpublishing more than one page, you can select multiple checkboxes and perform the same action in bulk. If you only want to unpublish a single page, just make sure only that one is selected. With your page selected, go to the Action drop-down menu that appears above the list. Click it and choose Unpublish Pages. Unbounce may ask you to confirm. When you proceed, you're only changing the page's live status. You're not deleting the page or its data. All your content, settings, and historical performance remain in place so you can return to them later. Now wait a few moments while Unbounce processes the request. You'll typically see the status update shortly. The published indicator will disappear, or the status label will shift to show that the page is no longer live. If you still see the page when testing your link, give it a minute or two for caching to clear, or try a private browser window. Content delivery networks can take a short time to propagate the change. That's it. Your landing page is now unpublished and won't be accessible to visitors. If you need to bring it back later, you can select it again and choose Publish from the same action menu. As a best practice, review any ads, emails, or links that pointed to the page so users don't hit a dead end. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently unpublish your Unbounce landing page.